Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You will begin by confirming your Redmi model and MIUI level so you know where settings live. Once done, make sure the battery is above 15% or keep it plugged in to avoid reboot prompts. Open settings and go straight to display. If you can't find it, use the search bar and type screen timeout or sleep. This first step ensures you're editing the right option and prevents wasted taps in the wrong menus. You now change the timeout itself. Tap display or lock screen, then select sleep or screen timeout. Choose a longer interval such as 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or never if available. Pick what balances battery and convenience. Make sure to look for adaptive or auto brightness style features that may override timeout choices and disable them if you want a fixed timeout. After selecting, exit settings and test by leaving the phone idle to confirm the new behavior. Finish by verifying the change. Lock the phone, set it down, and watch that the screen stays on for the chosen interval. If the timeout doesn't apply, restart your Redmi. This clears transient conflicts. Also check battery saver and individual app power restrictions. Those often reduce screen time to save power. If problems persist, reset display settings to default or install MIUI updates because system bugs can block timeout changes. One tip: restarting usually fixes most application-level conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.